Hello, this is J. Sonia Edwards, founder of the Human Resource Solution. Today, I'm joining you to talk about job descriptions. A job description describes the most important requirements of a job. Why is this important to you? This is important because if you have a well defined job description, it helps to narrow the pool of persons that will respond to any ad that you put out, and it also clarifies for the job seeker what it is you're looking for. So it helps you to narrow your pool and to really focus on people who are potential candidates for this position. So to simplify it, I have divided the job description into 5 easy parts. Number 1, the job title or summary. Secondly, the position responsibilities. The third part is the essential skills and qualifications. Fourth, I have reporting relationships. And number 5 is physical and emotional demands of the position. So let us start with the job title or summary. For the job title or summary, you can create a little 2 or 3 sentence paragraph that gives an overview of what the job is, so that immediately the job seeker would be able to see whether you're looking for an administrative assistant, if you're looking for a professional graphic designer, or the likes. So, for example, in the job summary, you might say, seeking an administrative position, an administrative assistant to support 2 managers in the accounts department, right? A simple job title or summary. It tells you what the position title is: administrative assistant, junior accountant, graphic designer. All right, with a simple description in 2 or 3 sentences. Secondly, we will move on to the section that describes the position responsibilities. What do you expect from this person? What are some of the tasks that you want them to be able to perform? So let us take the example of the administrative assistant or the administrative coordinator. Here are some of the key functions. So the key function is support the manager of the accounts department by doing the following: processing bank reconciliation, for example, preparing mail for the post, or sorting through mail and directing mail to the appropriate person, responding to email inquiries, preparing reports. These are some of the responsibilities of that position. So in this position summary, you're providing some details of the key responsibilities. You will never be able to put all the tasks that the person is expected to perform, but you want to pull out the key tasks that you want the individual to perform. And that goes under the section of position responsibilities. And then we move on to essential skills and qualifications. It is important also for you to give a picture of the type of person that you're seeking. So qualifications, that's very easy to define. Do you want them to have a administrative professional certification? Do you want them to have an associate degree in a particular area? Do you want them to have a bachelor's degree, for example? So whatever certification or professional qualification that you expect them to have, this is where you will place that under this heading. And then we think of essential skills. There are some other skills that you want them to be able to demonstrate. Whereas you want them to be able to sort the mail, you want them to be able to prepare the reports, there may be some additional skills. So one of those skills could be outstanding communication skills, including verbal and written. Being able to make presentations before a group. Project management skills, for example, being able to manage multiple projects. These are some skills that you want them to be able to demonstrate. So think of the skills that are going to enhance the delivery of their position. Section number 4 is reporting relationship. Under this heading, you may want to indicate who they report to. Are they reporting to the accounts manager? Are they reporting to the 2 managers in a particular area? Are they reporting to the marketing manager? So you specify who they are reporting to, or are they reporting to supervisor X within the department? This helps the job seeker to get an idea of what they're getting into. And this is very helpful information I find in a job description. It clarifies for the potential employee, or even for your current employees, the reporting relationships. Then number 5, physical and emotional demands of the position. A lot of job descriptions do not necessarily include this, but this is something that you can consider, and I think that it is helpful as well, because it says to the job seeker, or it says to whoever the incumbent is, we need you to be able, one, it helps to describe the environment. So for example, you may want to describe this is a fast-paced work environment, this is a relaxed or flexible work environment, or you may want to say that this is an environment where there is a heavy telephone activity, or there's heavy face-to-face customer service. This is an environment where you're required to sit at a computer, being able to sit at a computer for 3 or 4 hours consistently, or this is an environment where you need to be able to lift 50 pounds. All right, these are helpful, because then the person who is applying for the job, the incumbent of the position, will know whether they are able to fulfill this requirement, and you also will know from the get-go that this is an arrangement, that this is an agreement, this is what I can expect from that particular individual. So just to recap and to close our little discussion today on the job description and how we can simplify it in these 5 easy parts: the job title and summary, the position responsibility that really describes what you want the person to fulfill, the essential skills and qualities and qualifications that you want the person to be able to demonstrate outside of being able to do specific tasks. Sometimes these are more related to personality and ability to integrate in your environment. Reporting relationships in terms of who they're going to be reporting to, and also physical and emotional dimensions of the job. I hope that this is helpful, and I look forward to talk to you some more about the whole hiring process. Have a great day.